and transitioning between now and then.
Because the weather, you never can keep track of it.
That's
and
it.
This is that perfect top that screams to me that warmer days are in fact ahead. It's that gorgeous spring bloom we're seeing there. This is brand new today. The price goes up at the end of the show. It's the only day you're seeing it at this price. $49.98 for our gorgeous wildflower printed 3/4 sleeve top. 3 easy payments of $16.66 will get this home. Length on it is 26.5 inches to 32.5. Extra, extra small through 5X are your sizes. This is your lilac.
So pretty.
Angel, this is gorgeous.
Yes. Now the print is the same, but the colors in the print are slightly different.
Okay.
So just be alerted to that as we go through.
So we've got our lilac. Then we have our hot coral.
See, there's a little more yellow in here that we don't have in the other choices.
And we've got a little sparkle in there, which we cannot live without. And then we have our dark navy option for you. Again, today only price. This price goes up at midnight, which is the end of our show.
Yeah.
So do not wait on these. Call 800-500-7590. I'm done quacking over here. Angel, you take it away.
Quack away, my friend.
Quack away.
I'm like already a little sick of myself today, you know.
Well, you've had a very long day.
So I'm teasing, of course. But thank you for joining us all day today. National Quacker Day, of course, is the celebration of the first time Jean Bice appeared on QVC. And it was 30 years ago today. Wow. We're still bringing you the fun, the whimsy, the quality, the beauty of these fun and whimsical designs. This is 100% cotton. The fabric is beefy without being bulky.
Right.
Right. So it flows, it moves. It's not, you know, stiff. Right? You know, some cottons can be very, very stiff.
Nothing
it is not
worse.
that. And, you know, through the 30 years that we've been here, we started with applique and button covers. Then we went to some embroidery. And then later we introduced dream jeans, right? So how do you stay at QVC for 30 years? You continue to innovate and bring exciting new designs for different eyes, right? And so you have this beautiful print. You're looking at this on Chantal. She's like 27 feet tall and double extra small. I've known her for a million years. So as she is as nice as she is beautiful. Right. Like she's just so lovely. But you can see that on the body, which is so nice to see when you see it on the body instead of a hanger. But in addition to that beautiful print, John, we're giving you a little scatter of rhinestones just to catch the light, just to catch that sparkle. Now this was designed to coordinate beautifully to the Big Deal Dream Jean that I'm wearing. And so just keep that in mind, but hey.
These are, I just love this combination.
Right?
I mean, the scallop, and this is perfect for all of those great, you know, spring, summer events.
Yes.
But this top, like you said, it's beefy.
Yes.
This will get you into those transitional periods where we are trying to chase the temperature.
Yes.
And, you know, some days it's 70 degrees, some days it's 30. But you are getting that joy that Quacker Factory is known for in this top. You can wear it all year long, but you're getting these gorgeous florals in here. You're getting the mix of colors. I love that down at the bottom you have that little split.
Yes.
So it gives you that
Ease.
that ease of wear.
But wait, I'm going to turn it around because look at the back.
All the way around.
The back is just as pretty as the front. The print cascades down the arms as well. So what I love about this, John, and I know you were getting there and I cut you off, but this is appropriate day and night.
Yeah.
This is appropriate for girls' lunch. Maybe you're having a high tea. The university where I graduated from, they always have they have a group that does some cultural events. Okay. And they always have a high tea in the spring. So this would be beautiful with a pencil skirt and a little hat for a high tea. How about Mother's Day brunch?
100%.
How about you have a friend who's having a tough time and you want to send her a smile? This is that bouquet that you never have to throw in the garbage.
Genius. You know, we've been doing a lot of gardening shows here, and I have the opposite of a green thumb, but these are the flowers that I can get behind. Now, all you have to do today is decide which color brings you joy. If you can get all of them at 3 easy payments of $16.66, you're gonna have a bloom in your closet. Yeah. Now, our dark navy option, this has been super popular. Do not wait on this. Again, it's a today only price. This price of $49.98, where you are saving that $10, more than that, or $10. Great.
Yep.
You know I'm not good with the math.
I know, honey. I'm like, it's not my contract that I do math on TV.
Yeah, exactly.
It's not.
I play a mathematician on TV. This is the only order of the year. Price goes up at the end of our show. So you decide whether you want that dark navy. We have our lilac option.
And we don't do a ton of purple. So if
Yeah.
purple is your jam, this is is jam still a word that the kids use?
It is.
Sometimes I really age myself out of stuff, but I'm teasing, of course. But, so grab the purple if that is what you
Yes.
love, because we don't do it a ton.
And then we have your hot coral that Angel is modeling for us so beautifully. I love that pop of color. Now on the camera, it shows up, I think, a little more red than it is in person.
But it's not. This is our true hot coral. And the fun thing about this too is that the entire color of the shirt, in addition to the print, are printed onto this 100% cotton. That 100% cotton really holds onto the color so
Right.
beautifully. And you can turn it inside out because of those stones. Always turn it inside out. Machine wash, cold, gentle. And it says tumble dry, but because it's 100% cotton, I would still lay this flat to dry. That's
Okay.
just me. You might need to smooth it out, and just, stretch it. Depends on if your washing machine runs a little cycle of hot, it's just follow the care instructions.
Right.
How about that?
And it's just the perfect length. I think not only in where it falls on the body, but those sleeves. I mean, that is just the perfect length. If you want to keep the mystery on the arms,
Yep.
if you want to still show off, your jewelry that you're spending all of that money on.
Yes.
Our models look gorgeous in
Kalani.
this.
Kalani was here for a long time, then left for a
Okay.
couple of years, and she's back. I was so excited. I hugged her for a really long time today because I just was so excited to see her. She's 5'2",
Okay.
and she wears the size extra small. Extra small, I believe.
You are good. That is, her mind works
right?
in incredible ways.
Did somebody feed you that information?
No one has told me.
Okay.
But we're going to look it up. And we're going to see if
Excellent.
you are correct.
Excellent. Okay, let's do it.
There will be some sort of prize at the end of Quacker Factory Day. But this is going to be that great piece that you fall in love with. It brings that joy. It brings you that spring bloom every time you look in the mirror and every time someone sees you walking down the street. All you have to do is decide which color brings you the most joy. Is it the hot coral that Angel has? Is it our lilac, which, as Angel mentioned, purples are super rare in the Quacker Factory line? Or is it that dark navy option? The dark navy has been super popular. I don't know if you can zoom in on that great detail of the sparkle and shine on here. If not, I can put it on the rack and make it a little easier for you. Kalani was in the small.
Oh, okay, small.
Yes, Kalani was in the small.
Got it. Okay,
But you
thank
were getting just that great, just the smattering, if you will. Is that the right word? Smattering.
Little sprinkle.
A sprinkle of
Little
sparkle.
sprinkle of sparkle.
I said one time in a show with Angel that there's no rhinestone left unturned with Quacker Factory. And I truly do mean it, because it is something that brings that joy, that makes you feel beautiful and special every single day. And I think that's what we all are looking for.
Absolutely.
And especially women. You have so many options of pieces. Why not find something that really makes you feel confident, beautiful, and happy?
Absolutely. I always, since it's National Quacker Day, I just want to say, Jean started doing novelty 30 years ago.
Right.
Right? And now everybody's doing it. She made it okay to wear sparkle and shine during the day, not just for red carpet events or weddings in the evening. So that little hint of sparkle just tells the world that you have a little twinkle in your eye and a little twinkle on your clothes.
Oh, I like that.
All right,
I
we're
like
gonna
it.
coin that. Check.
We need a trademark for everything.
Yes.
But you're getting that 100% cotton on this. So it's going to be breathable, especially as we do get into those warmer months. You don't have to worry about the sleeve length because it is that I can't speak. Breathable fabric.
It's me.
You
know.
get me so nervous.
It's me.
And it's a big day. If you are just tuning in, this is my first time talking to you about my love for Quacker Factory. I, as a 30-some-year-old man, truly, it changed my life just seeing the joy that Jean brought to QVC.
Yeah.
And
There's a picture of her. Doesn't she look thrilled?
She looks thrilled. As I'm talking about joy, And she's the joy she brought to QVC.
She would be so upset about that picture. But I think we provided it, so we can't say anything.
But listen, I truly remember my parents put a TV in my bedroom when I could not sleep, and they thought it would bore me to like tears, you know, like any other boy my age. And Jean Bice came on the screen selling Quacker Factory, and I instantly was like, I have to stay up and watch this woman because she is just a bundle of joy. She is what I want to be like when I grow up. And just carry that into every room.
Yeah.
And that's what you get when you pick up these pieces. You get that instant joy wherever you go. So do not miss out on this because it is a today only price. It goes up at the end of our show, so do not wait. Call 800-500-7590. There's not much time. You just decide whether you want that lilac option or dark navy. Dark navy is our most limited. We have sizes extra small through 5X. And then we have our hot coral. That is a gorgeous piece, but there's a lot more to see. That is item number A681254. Make sure you are calling 800-500-7590 to place all